Gabriel?
Yan. Lagi na ako dito sinitinggan ng kutsara.
Thank you for watching.
Gimana, ano ka mama? Ano, may makagulaman.
Hi sa atin. Hi, Mapsi. Oh my God, welcome back. It's a very long time no here. What's up? What's up, Mapsi?
Hindi ko sa luwas.
In my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. Someone scream time. Kutsara, Gab, kutsara. Nag-uruto din kayo din kutsara. Ang totoo ng kutsara.
Wala naman.
Kutsara, wala. Mahilig to sus mo.
Ako man yan yung mga
Dali mo na pala.
Balik?
Kaya ano nga din. Mapsi. Hi, Mapsi. It's a very long time here. What's up with you? How are you?
Tulad ko na lang sa pagluluto kasi ako mahilig din ako magluto. Di ba Samantha, pag nagluluto tayo, hindi naman agad kung ano gusto mong lutuin, perfect. Opo, so kagaya rin sa pagkanta. Minsan, may mga bagay talaga na kailangan pa nating idagdag para mas gumanda yung performance, para sa pagluluto, para mas sumarap yung niluluto natin. And unti-unti naman matututunan
Thank you for the 4 people watching here. Thank you.
Ang bakal na kutsara.
Nakita lang at
Kung
narinig
makuha
ang
ko dito ang kutsara, anong
para
kailangan?
mas maging maganda na buo yung performance
Kung
mo.
makakuha ako.
Pero kaya i-enhance yan basta
Hindi ka
more
naghahanap,
practice.
Gab. Imposible na wala.
Simple lang ang ginawa. At dahil yun, narinig ko yung kalidad, yung tono, yung timbre ng boses mo. Minsan kasi mas okay ang simple. Okay? At sa
Hi,
ngayon,
my dinner for
simple
tonight.
pagkanta ng kantang ito.
My dinner is
Pakiwari.
sweet potato.
Yes, sa akin pakiwari.
No rice.
Ang pagkakakanta mo o pag-awit mo ng awiting rain. Natuwa naman ako, ngunit tatapwat. May mga pagkakataon na hindi mo natatamaan yung tamang nota. Pero nagustuhan ko na binibigyan mo ng sarili mong maliliit na nanggaling sa'yo. Yung pagbitin mo minsan sa isang note o paglagay mo ng kulot sa ibang
Hi,
parang natuwa naman
Tofek.
Ayun lang.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Tofek.
Malinis yung naging performance mo, malinis yung boses mo, may character,
My dinner is sweet potato.
something, may
Sweet potato. Artino. The sweet potato.
oras biglang may
Aray. Ang hirap mag ano. Aray. Oh my God. Thank you for the 12. Hello, do woman in your lounge. Oh my goodness. What
yes.
what you asking like that?
JK,
Scott Biha?
but I like to
Why you ask like that? Oh my God.
Ang gusto kong makita na sa
Oh
next
my
round, mas
goodness.
magaling ka pa kasi sa ngayon. So it's a yes for me.
Hi, Faz Lidens. Hi, Faz. Hello, Faz. Kamikani Comics. Grabe naman yung mga pangalan. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Sirkan. Hi, Sirkan. 90 Soper. Soper? Thank you for the thumbs up. Aloha. 90 Soper. Soper Playboy. Really? Thank you for the 19 people here. Hello. Henrique Alves. Hello. Good night to you, my love. George. Good night. Jose Walker. Oi. Hi. Because Luis Westerners like okay. Like okay, fine. Not all, I think. Thank you for I want you to be my girl. Leslie Andrew. Hi. Ti amo, baby Maximiliano. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Hello, okay, Buzz.
Pero lahat nila ay pinapilit tayo
Buzz.
dahil sa confidence and determination na meron sila at a very young age. Kids, great job!
Great job, kids! At sa pagkatapos ng auditions natin, mas magiging mahirap pero mas magiging exciting ang next round.
Jim, good morning from Jersey, America. Hi, Jim. Luwaya Gab, kayo nag-alive ako. Thank you for the thumbs up. Are you single? No, I'm not single. Leslie Antis. Jago. What is your language? I don't understand.
Ang mga mas matinding kaganapan as we continue for the search for the very first kidding idol ng bansa. This is Idol Kids Philippines! Next weekend, ang
How are you doing today? Hi, I'm eating now.
Ang kinukul sa mga grupo, 11 or 12 na bata.
At mula sa bawat grupo na ito, 3 lang ang papasok sa semifinals.
Dalawa ay pipiliin ng judges.
See you sa live semifinals.
Kasama ka na sa live
I'm
semifinals.
subscribed. Oh, thank you so much.
At isa ay mula sa sports
James.
ng studio audience.
Pasok ka na sa live semifinals.
Country to have beautiful women. I'm going to live in the Philippines. Okay, we can go to live here. Where are you from, Enrique Alves? Where are you from? Thank you for the 9 watching here. Thank you.
Ito.
Maybe.
At siyempre, dadali namin kayo sa mga kwentong hatid ng napakagandang Mindanao.
And what? Philippines women are beautiful, but you gotta watch out for the lady boy. Okay. Yeah. I'm look like a man, Statby. What's up, boy? Hi! Hi, Ash! Thank you. Good evening, Ash. Diet na. Brazil. Ah, you're from Brazil. Sweet potato. No rice. No rice. Thank you for the 10 people watching and 13 thumbs up, everyone. Thank you so much.
Pagkaparin ba daw? Sino ang dapat sisingin sa kanyang pagkapariwara? Sarili ba niya o mismong tadhana? May second chance para bang hinihintay kung si Sandra Ford is out, Arlo is in. Again, mga kapatid, kapamilya at kaibigan, ako si Corina. At ito, ang Rated Corina. Handa na ba kayo? Tsunami. Pagputok ng mga bulkan. Sunod-sunod na ang mga kalamidad na nangyayari sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Ito na ba ang senyales na nalalapit na ang kinatatakutan The Big One? Ikatabang ikatlo ng Agosto, sumabog ang bulkan Krashenikov sa Kamachka region sa bansa, Russia. Ang aktual na erupsyon ng bulkan, nakulang pa ng video ng isang Russian tour guide.
Hi, Timothy Robertson. Hi.
Pagkakataon na pumutok ang bulkan ito na mahigit 6 taon na natutulog. Tinatayang nasa 7 kilometro ang taas ng amok ibinuga.
Timothy,
Labas din ito ng lava.
how are you?
Ang pala dahil walang tayong ulan na nasaktan dahil na rin sa 100 kilometro pa ang layo nito mula sa pinakamalapit na lungsod. Dagdag ng mga eksperto, ang pagsabog ng bulkang Krashenikov ay maaaring sanhi ng magnitude 8.8 na lindol na yumalik din sa bansang Russia bago matapos ang buwan ng Hulyo. Ang lindol na ito ang sinasabing isa sa pinakamalakas sa kasaysayan ng mundo. Ito ang earthquake simulator kung tawagin dito sa P-Box. Kaya nitong gayahin yung lakas ng yanig ng lindol na tumama sa Russia kamakailan noong July 30. Pero mukhang hindi ko yata carry yung 8.8, kaya ang sabi ko, hanggang intensity 5 lang na lindol ang kaya ko. Handa na ba kayo? Ready na po ako, handa na po ako!
14 people, thank you so much. And thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Everyone here.
Ay 5.5. Medyo nakakatakot na yata ang 5. Ibig mo sabihin, kung ganito ang bahay mo, ganito yung yanig. Pero kung mas malakas pa, sir, paano po yun? Ayun pala sa malakas. Imagine kung ito po ay 8.8, ano na po intensity natin? Hindi ko siya naririnig. Ayun, 7.1, 8.1. Imagine kung 8.8 siya. Kung hindi ka kumapit, malalaglag ka talaga.
Derek Jones, hi.
Sana mangyari sa Pilipinas.
Hi, Derek Jones.
Physical Service of the Russian Academy, ang lindol na nangyari sa kanilang bansa, ang ikalima sa pinakamalakas at mapinsala na lindol na naitala sa buong daigdig. Sa katunayan, sa sobrang lakas na magnitude nito, nagresulta agad ng tsunami, hindi lang sa karagatan ng Russia kundi umabot din sa ilang lugar at bansa, gaya ng Japan at Hawaii. Dahil dyan,
Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone.
warning sa iba't ibang mga bansa, kasama na ang Taiwan, China, Indonesia, New Zealand, Peru, Chile, Mexico, at maging dito sa Pilipinas. Ang content creator na si Sarah Gibson na kasalukuyang nagbabakasyon noon sa Hawaii, ipinost sa TikTok ang lahat ng detalye at kaganapang nangyayari ng kanilang paglikas dahil sa banta ng tsunami. Pero ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng The Big One? Ayon kay DOST P-Box Director Teresito Bacolcol, totoo ang konsepto ng The Big One at hindi ito kathang-isip lang.
Hindi ito makatang-isip lamang na pinag-aaralan natin ito. Base sa pag-aaral natin, it happened happens every 400 to 600 years. We take the lower limit, which is 400 years, so we just add this to the 1658, so that will be around
Thank you for the
2058.
thumbs up.
But of course, it will not happen exactly in 2058. It can happen
You
earlier
don't
or
want
it
to
could happen
like I
later.
need you,
Kapag
baby.
Ewoks, ang sunod-sunod ng mga kalamidad na nangyari sa buong mundo ay sinyalis na nalalapit na nga ang pagdating ng kinatatakutan, the Big One.
Say the big one refers to the worst case scenario that might be generated with the worst one of the magnitude 7.2 earthquake. And this is equivalent to 32 atomic bombs. The energy is equivalent to 32 atomic bombs.
Hi! Hello. Tahimik yung yung comment section. Very quiet.
It's the whole of Metro Manila that may experience intensity. But there are also
The
people
food
in other
must be
parts of the
delicious.
country.
Yes, the food is sweet potato. It's a sweet potato. They millions, hi they millions. Agang Gadharan. William Sosa. Hi William Sosa. Jose Rodriguez, hula saludos desde España. Hula saludos. Hula. Hula hula sa bola. Salamat. Thank you so much for the giving the thumbs. The heart. Sa nag-heart. Thank you.
Ang nangyari ko sa Russia, that's still part of Kamchatka, that's still part of the Pacific Ring.
Hello, Vaxilin. Faxliden.
So,
Hello, Faxliden. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Kamchatka Trench, which is again, kung i-trace natin yan, part pa rin yan ng
Spin. Bakit ba ikaw na iisip ko ba't di na mawala? Thank you for the 15 people here. Seriously, Asian women in general are very beautiful. 5 Vietnamese and Filipino. I'm going to Asia. Okay, come here in the Philippines. Amalia told Husna. Hello, beautiful. How are you? I am from Indonesia. You from? I am from Philippines. Amalitu Husana from Philippines. Welcome here. Shout out from Indonesia. Henrique Alves. Welcome to the Asia. Oh, bakit ba hindi pang bumalik? Pakiusap, huwag na huwag ka na. Daniel Peloso. Hi, Daniel. Hello. Illuminati. Hi. Illuminati. Mario Ladera. Good evening, ma'am. Shoutout from Tacloban, Leyte. Hi. Shoutout kay Mario Ladera from Tacloban, Leyte. Hello. Salamat sa pagpunta. Hula. Rinaldo Morales. Hula. Krishna Kamando Vlog. Hi, ma'am. Hi, Krishna. Hello.
Ng Marikina na nasa ibabaw ng West Valley Fault na
Maligaw man. Hey, Daniel. Soy de Argentina. Welcome here from Argentina, Daniel Peloso. Rinaldo Morales. Aloha Hermosa. What it means? Where are you from, Rinaldo Morales?
Nadulot ng mga nagdaang lindol. Dahil dito, isang ordinansa ang ipinasa noong 2023 na naglalayong pag-ibayuhin ang pagiging handa ng lungsod kung sakaling magkaroon ng mga pagyanit.
Buklada na yung gag, kaya maturog ka na naman. Di ka
Sana at sineseryoso ng mga residente dito ang mga
Okay, maluwas ka pa. Di na magluluwas.
rescue tender po namin. Dito po
Dito ka lang karamamay. Kata na dali na.
na marituwa na in terms of disaster, lalong-lalo na pag meron baha, lindol, at sulok.
You're from City, ma'am. I'm from Philippines. Prisma.
Meron din po kami dito
From
mga
Philippines.
megaphone, meron din po kami dito mga pico, pwede mag-charge dito ng mga cellphone.
Junior 7. Hi, Junior 7.
Rescue.
Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Sa nag-thumbs up, thank you so much. 9 people. Naku talaga, oo. Hello, Joa. The verse 2005. Joa, I remember you. You remember me? Why you remember me? How are you, Mal? Kamahal na. Parang may pinagsamahan na. Because you don't need to know that. Chris, you don't need to know that. Please subscribe, ma'am. Thank you, Kida Chanas. Hi, Jacob.
You know, when to Manila, it's the whole country. Kung pangangwa, hindi yan nakakatulong. We have to prepare. Of course, we cannot be 100% ready. But I would say that we're more prepared now than, say, 20 or 30 years ago. We should actively participate in our
Thank you for the 21 times, Zach. Thank you po. We've met before, lol. I'm Jadas. Huh?
And of course, you have to listen
We've
to
met?
the mandated agencies.
Sorry, I forgot. Sorry. Junior 7, nice to meet you here. Again. Before? We met before? Where? Back here. Another live streaming? Or here? Yes, I remember you, Bonso. I'm your kuya. Really? Who are you? The Bears 2005. Para te hermosa mujer. I'm sorry, I'm American. My Tagalog is small. Thus, how I know you? Balik-balik man ini man. Kuha ka pinggan. Kumuha ka pinggan. Kumuha ka pinggan. Kuha ka pinggan. That's how I know you. Diego. Huwag ka gabing pinggan. Kuha mo na yadi ho. Gab. Gabriel. Cheryl, he means on here. He means... Okay, sorry. Dami mong girl. Dami. Oh, sorry naman. Sorry. Dami. What it means. Maganda naman. Hello, aking anak. Hi. Ang dami mong girl. Ang girl. Ang girl. Ang dami mong girl. Ang dami mong gini girl. Happy ka girl. Dami mong kabet girl. Sir Jerry. Hi, sis Jerry. Sir Jerry. Oh my God. You join here, Jerry. Me, I be your moderator po. Pwede naman, tanungin ko muna, Tem, can I give a moderator the Bears 2005? Jago. The hard part is finding. True. Enrique, it's a very true. Relatable. The hard part is finding. Bong de la Cruz, hi Bong. No give. Bong. Zawi Japre, what it means. How's your day today? My day today is have a nice day. No? Have a nice day today. Have a good day. Busy, Zumba, going to work, wash clothes, clean room, food, a little bit busy, but fine. I would like Jua application to Lul. Jua application. Sing Men Hi, Xiongmin. Team, don't be jealous, Koya. Yes. No need to be jealous. Koya means brother, Team.
Siksik, sarap, at sulit. See? Konti lang ang mantika. Nagsusunod na siya.
Kung hindi ako mararap sa'yo.
No one's giving you
Thank you for the 16 viewers
My hair
here.
gets its daily dose of provitamin from Pantene.
Venus, Gab, and I'm not jealous. Yes. That's good. Be nice, maybe. Are you Bisaya po? I'm not Bisaya. Sorry. I like Bisaya, the verse. Tantan's Corvus. What it means, Diego? No, I'm her boyfriend. Yes, getting married soon.
Sa laro, secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash in at taon ng manalo mo. Ibang swerte to. Bet88.ph.
Lahat ng tao, aksyon, dapat alam natin kung paano iparamdam yung nararamdaman natin.
Kumusta po dyan sa Indonesia? Hindi naman ako Indonesian, Pilipina. Dito ako sa Pilipinas, my goodness.
Baka maka-affect yung show ko na
I was just in Bicol and Cebu po. Ah, okay. I'm Bicolana.
basta lili.
You mean someone who has no... What is mean PFP profile? Profile? PFP?
Alam ko ba yung mga kabuti at hindi para sa kanya.
16 people here. Thank you so much. And 23 tamsak. Thank you sa nagtatamsak, sa tumamsak. Salamat. Love you all.
Nagtatrabaho si nanay dati.
PFP means profile. Maybe. I don't know.
Ayoko ng paru-paro.
Susunod ka sa lahat.
Love is all that matters. You marry someone who has no... Ah, okay. You marry someone who has no profile. Ah, okay. That's what you said.
Ikaw ang gumawa ng problema. Ikaw din ang gumawa ng solusyon. Susuportahan din kita.
Mas halimaw sa galing. Dahil mga ito na unexplained learnings. Gusto mo gagawa ng pagkasunod. Sa tingin ko, makakapasok mo sa mga. I need you to do something.
Gano'n mo kakilala yung papa mo? And so, for that reason,
I'm back. Junior Garza. Hi. Profile. Okay. Profile. Opo. Boss, where are you? Hello, Hoss. Hi, boss. Where are you? I blocked your mod. Why? Why you block my mod? Oh my god. Greetings from Holland. Hi, boss. Where are you from Holland? Thank you for joining here. Thank you for visiting my live stream. Boy Jam Vlog. Hi, Boy Jam Vlog. Realme Piper is seeking what? Boy Junior, you're done, huh? Wait. Wait. What? What happened? Good morning. What religion are you? I'm Christian. 777 is heaven number. Bom tarat what? Damiao. Bom Jamin Halindawat. Amor Oswaldo Ladino. What it means? He can't kick him. He can kick him. What? He can? Kick him? Who? Oh my god. Ay, na-mental block. Nako. Who? Ha?
Sa lugar kung saan pagsulong ng magandang pagnegosyo
Tim is a jealous boyfriend. Chill. Yes, you need to chill, Tim.
pero bago pa mamayagpag ang Pampanga ngayon,
calm down.
ito ng isang trahedya noon.
I need to get ready for church. We will talk later, future jowa. Kahit kita sobra char.
Nasimot lahat ang meron sa probinsya ito.
Right.
Ang yaman, ganda, at kinabukasan
Okay.
pa ng mga taga rito.
You know what the lesson for today? The priest said,
Nasukat ang katatagan
need to be kind,
ng patataya ng mga kababayan
need to
nating
be,
kapatid.
ano, meekness. There needs to be meekness and the humility. The three things you need to be a good person. You need to be a kind person, meekness, and humility. Nap Junior 7. Beautiful woman. Oh, thank you. I need to get up. Char. Okay. Are there Jehovah Witnesses down there or not that many? I don't know. Jehovah's Witnesses here. Here, many religion, but Christian. I focus my religion. Beautiful woman. Thank you, S. No. Damiao Bom, what is your nationality, Damiao Conha? Plirok TV. Hi, Plirok TV. Vosi Morena Linda. Mercy, thank you so much, Damiao. Junior 7, yes, very much. So, he giving to cause her use. Love in the Philippines. Hello.
Piling matatawaran ng mayaman ng kasaysayan.
My life.
1660 nang maipatayo ang Baptist Church. Pero noong 1908, tinupok umano
Nozol. Pitrianto.
at maibalik ang
Nozol. Hi, Nozol.
dahil ang angking ganda ng simbahan.
Dave, not so worried. But,
Church ng Vatican City sa Roma.
I sorry.
Kilala rin ang Pampanga sa mga heritage houses. Reservado pa rin ang
Morena is tribute of the Philippines. Ah, yes, thank you. Love in the Philippines. You're so kind to people here. Oh my, baby.
Sister,
Hi, Star. You need to, tato?
ipit siya, di.
Oh, ipit.
Tinanggal ko, tato.
Akala ko tato. Say hi.
Ito guys.
Hi. Oh my God. Why? Damiao?
Siya niya.
You look so beautiful. Galing talaga ng baby ko. Oh God. How are you? You so fit and have kids. I have one kid. She's my niece. I have one kid, my son. What beauty. Robin Gums. So beautiful. Bago na baby ko. Thank you for the 24 thumbs up and si Gabriel. Baga nagpo-formal kay. Ikaw kaya nirugon so nun sa pamate. Ay. Hello, Ashley. Say hi, Ashley. Say hi. Say hi. Kiss mo si tita. Oh my goodness. Alan na. Ouch. Alan na. Grabe naman pinagta-time out mo, Tim. Halos na lang, tinime out mo.
Ito na niya daw.
Mayonnaise.
Ang puti.
Mayonnaise. You don't like it?
No.
You like it? You like it?
No.
Nagigigil ako. Ashley, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth daw.
Sakit siya, kiki.
kids are funny. Yes.
Tipo ako. Tipo
Tipo.
ako. Tipo ako, guys.
Guys, tipo po si Ash. Mahilig po kasi siya sa chocolate.
Kaya nag-ilog ako.
Chocolates and candies. Kaya nagkaganyan po siya kasi mahilig po siya sa chocolate.
Nakakato ka na sa Chocolate Hills. Dili pa.
We're going to Chocolate Hills.
Ouch. Nahulog ako.
Hello! You like sweet potato?
Dili, guys. Di, wag good. Wag good. Di na duwapin si kita.
Aba? Hello? Ada. Hi, Vaseline. Baho udo.
Si Ayad ako nabunod.
Baho udo. Baho udo sa hantos mo.
Kapan o nabuhayan na si Aya.
Yes, Aya, I'm gonna bring
Ang puting.
chocolate and cashews. Yay! Thank you! Good chocolate!
Dili good buka.
Thank you! Thank you for the chocolate and cashews. When? When you bring?
Buka.
Bubuka, bubuka. Be! Ash! Thank you! Junior 7. When?
Wala, guys.
When?
Burong kanin. O hindi lahat nakakaalam ng burong kanin. Ito yun. Ayan. Ano ang burong kanin? Sige na, paki-explain.
Ano ang inyong
Pangalan. Dadadan, dada.
Kita, kuya. Ano yung pangalan niyo, guys? Udo na lang kamo. Comment na lang kamo, guys.
Yes, magkanta ka, Ay.
Ayun ang pangalan niyo. Udo ang paraan
Hindi, I mean,
pangalan.
ay, yung ibang kanta, yung, ang kala mo ng kanta, maganda. Maganda ng kanta.
Grow ang garden, grow ang
Ay, ayusin
garden.
mo.
Grow ang garden, grow ang garden. Pusong laro ito, pusong laro ito. Magtanim na tayo, may anuhin,
Ano pa? Yung maganda, isa pa, sige pa. Another song.
Wala na, ako lang ito.
Okay. Son Junior, we get married in October. You guys haven't met. Yes.
sila.
Yeah, not yet met, but we met this. I don't say the Junior 7. Hello, my family. I'm Junior. Hello, my family. Joanne Robinson. Hussein Ergen. Not yet. Why?
Mama, alam ko, maula-ula ka
You
din.
don't believe?
Mama, maula-ula ka man din.
Saan? Mabuko man sa. I mix with white Spanish cylinder and down. Okay. I like in Garfield. You are my, oh my god, you are my dog. I love you too. I hate so funny. Junior. Tawad. Bakit tumatawa? May tumatawa. Salamat sa tumatawa dyan. Happy. John. Be blessed and safe. Thank you, John. I love you, MJ Resid. Gab, paluway man. Naglalay baga ako. Gab. Naglalay baga ako. Nagbukin ka. What's funny, Jenna? What's funny? So funny because we're not yet met, but we're getting married. Maybe that's why. I think it's very it's an impossible dream. That's why you said, you married without profile. I see curious about it.
Yung araw, papapunta ako ng pulis para makapagnakaw ng sports car. Pero wala pa akong police car at sabit na pang pulis. Kaya naman, nagpihis ako ng pang-pulis at pumunta sa police station para kumuha ng police car. Dire-diretso lang tayo. Siyempre, yes, yung ano na ito. So, ito nga pala yung police department na picture mga kasita. Punta tayo sa Wait lang, sampay karahin dito. Alam niya, ano sa mga
Not cute yung okay. It's really none of and maybe just confusing. Not me what you know. Maybe me. Thank you for the 26 thumbs up, everyone. Thank you so much. 13 people here. Wait, Gab. Ash, bauli ka na. Bauli ka na.
Outfit 2 times, hindi na destination sa church, is detergent lang. So, sa di kaya, nag-detergent lang. You want great hair?
Kagayon. Bye.
Provided
Bye-bye. Nanang sasabihin?
easily for smoothness. It's not
Good night. Gabby, turn it down. I wouldn't do the same if I met her before. I would be the same if I met her before. Huh? Junior 7. Okay.
Your playground? Outline. Possibly 1,500 keys. Secure and lasting keys. Totally for fun options. Try all the games. Advanced Mexico. That's unique package.
Don't you want to like I need you, baby? Don't you want to... Gabriel, nagdano baga ako? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. He would marry you if he met you first before me. Ah, okay.
5:45 p.m.
And that's why. Kung hindi ako nararapat sa'yo. It's too late. It's so late to apologize.
Ang may iwan sa libingan ng hantungan.
Thank you for 11 people here. He would... Okay. Thank you for the 27 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much.
Gabi-gabi, 8 p.m.
Naaalala niyo pa ba ang biglang sikat noon na si Marlo Arizala?
28 people giving the thumbs up. Thank you, guys.
Alexander Ford.
Thank you po. Thank you so much. 16 people here now already. Salamat.
Siya nga ba ang may kasalanan at
Diba ang dahilan Kaya di mo na ako kailangan. Siya na nga ba? Hey guys, stop your central screen for likes thing. Tim, did you time out me? No, no need. No need to time out you. What is the reason? Yeah.
Noong 2017, naganap ang pinakapilang-usapang makeover at greatest transformation sa buong bansa.
Bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap wag mo wag ka lang bumalik. Nakidaling sabihin na ayaw mo na. Pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Bakit, bakit ako nalapit lamang? You haven't done anything wrong. Thank you for the 19 people here. Thank you so much, guys. Grabe. Thank you. Salamat sa dumadaan, sa pumupunta, sa nagmamahal, sa nanonood, silent viewers, sa nag-stop dyan. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Marlo Rizala.
2015 nang pagpiestahan at umingay ang pangalang Marlo Arizala sa social media. Kasama siya sa grupong #5, ang mga batang version noon ng grupong hashtag ng It's Showtime. Puro pagpapash ang inabot ng grupo ni Marlo. Ang numero 1 target ng netizens, walang iba kundi siya. Dahil daw ito
Oh, Sunny. Oh my God. Nandito ka naman ulit. Siguro ano ka naman. Kumusta?
pinansalan pa siyang pambansa.
Sunny. Oh, Tim, let him Sunny here. I don't, oh my God. Why need to time out him? You don't need to do that. I'm nice to all people. Oh my God. You don't need to time outside. Good night. Hi, Tom. Hi. No, it's fine. No. Cheryl, don't start. Yes, it's fine if he join me here. I don't do anything wrong with them. Yeah. No, he's gone. I banned it. Oh no, no need. No need, Tim. I want to watch him and that I'm fine, I'm okay. People not perfect but me. I'm not I'm not like that. Yes, Sunny told me before that I am not looking a maid. I'm a maid. That's fine. It's not a big deal. So Sun is gone. Yes, that's why. Just I want just to see something about. We do already agree. Okay. Move on. Thank you for the 30 times like everyone. Thank you. Thank you for the 15 watching here. Thank you so much. Sorry. I'm full. No rice today. Naghirap tayo for today's kanang. Hampas lupa. Mahirap lang si host, kaya sorry kung medyo kamote lang yung kinakain ko. Ayan, kamote. No, it's not a big deal for me if someone saying I'm made. It's it's fine. I know myself, and they are not. Um, and I'm not asking them to pay my bills, to pay what I eat now. They don't contribute me even a cent. Yeah. And I'm proud people the maid working a maid. It's a decent for me. It's a decent job. Just drop it. Ikot na baso. Shot mo na te. Shot ko na talaga. Shot ko na. Tagay ko to. One more shot. Sino pala lait? Libre man lait. Siguraduhin mo lang na matino ka, malinis ka. Char. Just drop it. Tracy 31. Tayaan nyo na sa wete. Bukas. Tracy 31. May gulay. Amo ng iyong mukha sa first look. Nung una kitang makita sa Facebook. Kakaiba pa ang iyong pangalan. Para bang ang hirap mong hawakan. No? What pagpag? Hello, beautiful from Australia. Hi, Jay from Australia. Wow. Pa-English ka pang. I'm John. Nice to meet you. Hi, John. Nice to meet you too. Top RL. Arf, arf. Arf, arf. Arf, arf. Kakaiba pa ang iyong pangalan. Para bang ang hirap mong hawakan. Oh my God. How are you? What island do you live on? From Philippines, Sir Robert. Tapos barking like to dog outside. Hi. Pancarge. Pancarge. Arc arc. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. You have beautiful smile, Cheryl. Thank you, John. Thank you. Where are you from, John? Huwag mong sabihin. Gabriel. Balik-balik ka, Gab. Mag-ano ka na doon, ayusin mo na yan.
Nakulagang mo na.
Oo.
Diba?
Adelaida, Australia. Igilid mo. Pag may irugson, gigilid. Adelaida, Australia. Welcome here, John, from Adelaida, Australia. Alam mo ang wikang Pilipino? Yes, I'm Philippines. Pankaj. Mararaot yun. Dapat inaano mo yun, Gab. Robert Wingate. Philippines is the country. There are 7,000 islands. What island? Bicol. Gabriel ho. Gabriel. Niyada ho. Kento. Robert, you don't need to know. Hingayad. Tim, it's okay. It's fine. He already know. He's right. 7,000 island in the Philippines. Kento. Pag-ibig mo walang hanggan. Solo. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Naghahanap ako ng pag-ibig. Ito ng ganda.
Gusto kong laro nito.
Para mo mainihin mo baga ako. Tuo mo na yan to. Where? How he knows? How he knows? Okay, I have to go now. Catch up later, hopefully. Thank you, John. Okay, thanks. I'm coming back there in September next year. Next year to Bohol. To Bohol. Okay, you have Filipina girlfriend, Robert? Pan English. Zakaria. Hi, Zakaria. Ang ganda-ganda mo. At unang pag-ibig. No, hindi ako, hindi ako interesado sa mga ganyang mga masasarap na salita eh. Hindi na ako, hindi ako bagay sa mga ganyan. Hindi ako bagay sa mga ganyang, mga unang pag-ibig. Wala sa akin mga ganyan. Hindi na at natamaan ng ganyan. Good morning, Ken Hamza. Dating asawa. Okay. Dating asawa. You visiting your ex-wife? Robert? Ken Hamza. Jik Mbara. Are you okay? Yes, Ken. No way. Why? No way? Why? Thank you for the 36 times, guys. Thank you so much. No way. Why are you going there in Bohol? Why are you going here in the Philippines, in Bohol? Suka closing. Please say something to my country, Indonesia, which has a birthday today. Say something to my... Hi! Hi, Indonesia. How are you? Have a nice day. Which has a birthday today. I don't know how to say. She couldn't keep her hand out of my wallet. Huh? She couldn't keep her hand out of my wallet. Why? Kinto. Ken Hamza, thank you for the flowers. Cheryl, what does Kinto mean? I don't know what Kinto mean. I just read the comment. I don't know what it means. I just read the comment. I am retired now. She is Makawa. Really? She's Makawa? She have no job? Oh my god. That's not a bad habit. Being a Makawat. His ex-wife was a gold digger, yes. His ex-wife, a gold digger. Jakarta English. He stole her money. She stole her money. His money. Stealer. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Robert, if you experienced some Filipina here. No, I have a good pension. That's good. Maybe you will find a good one. Not all Filipina like her. Yes. That's good. No, I have a good pension. That's good. You isa pa. I know that. Gotta be careful with that kind. Yes. Oh my god. Ano na ga, butangan mo na sa pinyada. Butangan mo na ito sa pin. Ano na yan? Kaya mahinta na kita.
Oo na ako matulog.
Hindi ka pa maturog?
Ayan.
Bali mag-irihi ka naman doon ha. Thank you pa rin. 6:36. Itayaan nyo na yan sa waiting. Robert, where are you from? Robert, where are you from, Robert? What about you do? Do you have a bana? What? Habana. What about you? Do you have a bana? What bana means? Gigi Cars. I am new here. Hello all. Hi Cheryl. Newcastle, Australia. Bana is asawa on Karaya. Ah, okay. Not yet. Not yet, Bana. Where you from? Where you from? Ah, Newcastle, Australia. English, Robert, please. Team Robert said Bana means a wife or husband or a partner. In another language, maybe Karaya, somewhere here in the Philippines. Another language here. Gigi Course. Cheryl, are you married with kids? And how old are you, if I may ask? I'm not yet married. And my kids, I have one kid, a son, only one, and I am 40 years old. What Bana? Bana means partner, wife, like that, or husband, partner in life. Jowa, like fiance, like that. Bana means welcome, Gigi. Tim Holle from Gigi Cars. Wara Bana. Yes. Karaya Bisaya language. Okay. Wara Bana. Why Bana? Oh my God, Why Bana? My bear. My bear. Oh, why you deleted? Welcome. Gigi, please subscribe and like this channel. Thank you, my team. Pa-shoutout. Di ko mabanggit yung pangalan mo. Pa-shoutout. Hi, Kan. Kan na lang. Ang UI ng pangalan ng channel mo, Kan. Ayaw ko nga banggitin yan. Ang unfair mo, no? Kainis. Sa lahat na ipapangalan niya, wala ba na ipapangalan? My God, That's the dialect name for male spouse. Yeah. Okay. Bana. Did subscribe, hit the like. Thank you, Cars. Hi, Sir Zach. Good evening, my friend. Good evening to Sir Zach. Thank you for the 19 people here in 38 thumbs up. Right. Robert, she will be married in October, yeah. We're getting married. How old are you, Cheryl? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. Thank you, 18 people here. Thank you so much for watching my live stream. Thank you, guys. Hi sa 15 dyan. Sa 15 dyan na nanonood. Salamat tunon. Daghanon na pasasalamat sa Indiro Gabas. Share, how long have you had your channel? I created this channel 5 years this June. This past 2020 I'm here. Guys, hit the like button. Thank you, team. Okay. Okay, nice. You marrying a foreigner or Pinoy? A foreigner. Pinoy, he just taking me serious here because I'm a single mother and someone trying to fling me here. Trip. They want to trip me here. Lakas mang trip dito. I'm from USA, Robert, from team. 5 years and I see you for first time. Wow, really are found now. Yeah, I'm I'm not. I stopped here a year ago. Thank you, Gigi Cars. Where are you from, Gigi Cars? Pa-shout out sa'yo, kan. Tama na yun. Shinout out na kita, kan. Huwag ko nang makulit. Huwag mo nang makulit. Tama na yun, ha. Huwag mo nang ano yun. Bakit kasi ang dami pang, yan pan, ano yun ako. Yan pa ang ay ano mo. Lagi pangalan sa channel, yan pa. Nangaan po. Nananadya. Thank you for the 40. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you. Nangano ka kan. Ang kulit mo. Gigi, she had a channel before and then stopped. And now I started it back up. Yeah, I stopped it because I'm busy at work. Okay, well, I wish you both the very best. Thank you, Robert. Larong bulat. Isa pa to larong bulat. Hello. Ba't ganyan ang channel nyo? Thanks. Thank you, Robert. Di ka mag-ano gamit keb na naka-charge ang cellphone. Ano? Naka. Pinalitan. Ang dami mong channel Puro katarantaduhan. Ang kulit mo. Sapa. Baka mamaya magano ka pa. Okay. Demon. Ha? Baka mamaya may channel ka pang iba dyan, ha? Ambot sa imo, joke, ano. Mababanggit ko pa eh. Ang kulit mo kasi. South Africa, okay. But planning to immigrate to Latin America. Would have I migrated to Piles, but only reason why not is cause can't own land there. I'm a farmer and businessman. That's good. What is your business? Wala akong pake. Ja. Okay. Okay. Wala akong pake kung masarap yan. At wala akong pake kung malaki yan. Sa iba mo na lang yan i-offer. Ay nako, kahit marami ka pang pera, wala din akong pake. Wala akong pake. Lakas ka rin mang-treat, no? Ay, hindi ako masarap. Matanda na ako. Tumigil ka dyan. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. Ay, nako.